your Jpay account. So it's pretty simple. So watch this video until the end without skipping if you guys also want to log into your Jpay account. And if you guys are new to this channel, then you guys probably know what. First, you want to go to your browser. It could be any browser, but I'm using Google browser. So once you come to your browser, what you want to search for is Jpay. Once you search for Jpay, enter on it. Once you search for it, you can click on where it says Jpay, your home for correct service. Click on Jpay and it's going to take you to Jpay's website. Once you come to Jpay, you can click on where it says login at the side. Click on login. Once you click on login, what you can do is enter your email address over here which you used when you created your Jpay account and then your password. After you enter a correct email and a correct password, once you click on login, you should be able to log into your Jpay account. But if you are not able to log in, then basically your email or your password is mistake. So check that. And if you forget your password, you can always click on forget your password and reset your Jpay account's password. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can log into your Jpay account. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases.